Welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video, we'll lay out some tips here in a little bit about street. So today I am listening to 21 Savage. If you didn't know, I'm a pretty big music fan, so today's 21 Savage. That's what I'm listening to.
I'm going to go over some street photography tips for you guys so that you guys can take better photos. So the first one is remember that you're a storyteller. Storytelling is really important when you're taking street photos. You want to have some kind of emotion to your images. The second tip is interacting with your subject. So interacting with your subject may mean like talking to them beforehand, before you take the picture, and really getting their emotions out and having fun with it. And that way you're not as suspicious and you can be polite about it, and everybody has a better time that way. Another tip is framing the shot. So when you're out there taking photos, make sure that you can frame the shot the way you want it to, and maybe you'll have to wait around a little bit for people to come up. So things like lighting in the background and who's in it and everything just plays a role, but you might want to wait in that frame for a little bit, for maybe like 5 minutes until somebody else appears or the colors are perfect or something, what have you, but frame the shot. Another one is capturing expressions. So capturing expressions means like when somebody's looking at you or when they're not. This might be a little bit hard when you're wearing a mask, but then the last tip on this list is get the shot. So if you have to use auto, if you have to use shutter priority instead of manual, or you have to bump up the ISO, it's always better to get the shot than not getting the shot. And that's really important when you're doing street photography.
But hopefully you guys like that video, the street photography video, and yeah, I'm gonna head out tonight. It's actually really nice out, jeez. Still need to get some food, find some food, but I will talk to you guys in another video. So.